This delicious one pot stew chicken and dumpling Jamaican style will have you craving for more. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just continue watching. Thanks to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. And for the new one, welcome as well. So for this, I'm using some chicken leg and thigh, and I'm going to remove the skin, cut in small pieces, wash well with vinegar and or lime, and season and marinate. So this is just a quick and easy one pot meal that I know that you guys will enjoy. So I'm going to add my season and I'm going to allow this to marinate, and I'll come back when it's time to cook. So now we're just going to caramelize some sugar. We're going to add the oil to heat up, then we add the sugar. When that's caramelized, then we're going to add our seasoned meat, stir well, and allow this to brown while cook. Don't add water as yet. Okay, so just watch me as I complete this one. So after 10 minutes and our sauce thicken, we're going to add our remaining veggies and our cabbage. And then we're just going to cover this and allow this to steam for 5 minutes, then it's time to serve. So this is what we're talking about, guys. All those dumplings soak up all that delicious sauce. Yes, and this is ready to serve. So drop me a comment and let me know if you have already tried this one or if you will try this one. And guys, please like the video, share, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. And again, thanks for all my returning supporters. And for those coming along, I appreciate you guys a lot. You could have stopped anywhere else, but just chose to stop here. So thanks again. So just tap the subscribe button and put your notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Isn't this tempting?